how to add a Samsung music playlist shortcut on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the music app. Next, at the top, you want to go across and tap on the playlist tab. Next, tap on the more button. Then from the pop-up, tap on add shortcut on home screen. In here, select your playlist. So I'm going to select IT Jungles and then tap on add. Okay, after that, tap on the home button, and on the home screen you'll find there is a new playlist shortcut. So I'm just going to go back into here, and here you can see it shows IT Jungles. If I tap on that, that will open up my IT Jungles playlist, and then I can tap on the play button to immediately play my music. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.